April 11th, 2025. B&K Components. Reference 50 Series 2 audio video processor, also known as a pre-pro. It's the centerpiece of a home theater or a preamplifier for a stereo, 2-channel stereo system. It's a multi-channel receiver with it's got your balanced ins and outs, it's got your optical ins and outs, analog ins and outs, multiple channel, handmade in the USA. It's got an AM/FM radio tuner in it also, which is nice. So I'm just going to be using this as a 2-channel amplifier. So anybody want to see what's inside? Let's see what's inside. So this would be the brains of a home theater system. I'm just using it for 2-channel audio. It's kind of outdated for a home theater system. Why is it outdated? Because do you see any HDMI ports on here? No. So this is it's a little outdated, but you know what? It's an oldie but a goodie. Made by B&K Components back in the early 2000s. It listed for around $2,400, I think. And this is the Series 2 as opposed to the Reference 50, the first iteration. I guess it was revised. Power supply here. Here's your little AM/FM tuner there. All the business is in here. This thing has a lot of ICs. Surface mount board. Microprocessors. Beautiful blue display in the front here. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.